Number 3, Jim was given $25 for his birthday, and due to some entrepreneurial savvy, Jim was able to increase the amount of money by 15% each month. Write an equation to represent the situation and find out how much money Jim will have after 8 months. For this one, because it's increasing by a percentage, it's not going to be linear, it's going to be exponential. So writing an exponential equation, we have y equals b times a to the x. Okay. Some of you might remember we had our Tn equals T0 times r to the n power. Those are both exponential, whichever way you think about it. But our equation, that first b, that first thing we have to add, at T0, is what we're starting with. And in this case, it's $25. So we're starting with the $25 that he's getting. And then A is our rate increase. But because this is a multiplier and we want it to add on every time, we're going to start with the 1.15 because of the increase. And then to the x power. So this is our equation. 25 times 1.15 to the x power. Now this is for an increase. If it were a decrease, I would have done 1 minus 0.15, but because it's an increase, I'm adding it. So when I plug that into my calculator, it's 25 times 1.15 to the 8th power. And again, I said this in one of my earlier videos. If you don't know how to do this to the 8th power on your calculator, talk to your teacher. We can show you how to do that, how to raise something to that power. And it's something we should be able to do on our calculator. But when I multiply those together, I get, and it's money, so we want to make sure we round correctly. But the correct answer is $76.48. Money we would round up, $76.48.